There's a fly guy in my soup by Ted Arnold. Chapter 1. One day, Fly Guy went with Buzz, Mom, and Dad on a long trip. They drove until dinner time. They stopped at a hotel. "Yay," said Buzz. "I love hotels." "Cool room," said Buzz. "Time for dinner," said Dad. "There is a nice restaurant downstairs," said Mom. "But Fly Guy can't go there." "Fly Guy can eat outside," said Buzz. "Right, Fly Guy?" Fly Guy flew outside. He found a trash can. He found a puddle. He found a sticky spot. He found the biggest, slimiest garbage can ever. But he didn't find anything that he wanted to eat. Chapter 2. Then Fly Guy smelled something wonderful. Fly Guy followed the smell. At last, he found where he wanted to eat. Fly Guy needed to wash before dinner. He spied a small round bathtub with warm brown water. Perfect! Fly Guy jumped in. He washed his face and hands. He washed his armpits. He washed between his toes. Chapter 3. Fly Guy's bathtub was picked up and carried to another room. It was set down on a table in front of a lady. The lady screamed, "Waiter! There's a fly in my soup!" The lady jumped up. Her soup and Fly Guy went flying into another lady's soup. That lady jumped up. Her soup and the first lady's soup and Fly Guy went flying onto a gentleman's head. The gentleman jumped up. The soup and Fly Guy and the gentleman's hair went flying. Everyone jumped up. Everyone's soup and Fly Guy and the gentleman's hair went flying. Fly Guy still needs a bath. Buzz, Mom, and Dad needed a bath. Everyone needed a bath. "Last one in the pool is a rotten egg," yelled Buzz. Hotels Funzy. For more great books, make sure you subscribe to our channel.